Creating a new Venmo account using the same phone number as an existing account is a straightforward process. But you must first deactivate the old account. Here's how to do it. Deactivate your old Venmo account. Open the Venmo app and log into your existing account. Tap the three lines icon in the top left corner to access the menu. Go to Settings and select Account or Privacy. Scroll down and choose Deactivate Account. Follow the prompts to confirm. Note that this process is irreversible. Create a new account. Once your old account is deactivated, go back to the Venmo app or website. Tap Sign Up or Create Account. Enter your phone number. You will receive a verification code via SMS to confirm ownership. Complete registration. Input the verification code and follow the prompts to set up your new account. You will need to provide personal information, such as your name, email address, and password. Set up payment methods. Once your new account is created, you can find your bank account or debit card for transactions.